So here's the marina area. Remember all these tables that are out there and a few food shops. And then, what if we pass by these bank machines so I can show some sand area? And here's this like secret little spot in the marina if you're looking for a specific bank machine. So there's 4 banks that are hiding right here. So usually all of them serve any foreign cards. So if you want to take cash out, this is a nice place to do it. Look, there's this anchor here. The prayer starting.
This beach is very busy for sunbath in summer. Like close by hotels, they come here for sunbathing.
Ah, yeah.
It's pretty busy. Convenient location, you know. Come.
So you, the one watching, you see that today is a very nice sunny day. It's probably plus 19 or something like that.
Yeah.
Oh, Hali says you're watching on big screen. That's very nice. Yeah, we're trying to switch everything to the horizontal so that you could watch on a big screen. And if you're watching on Facebook right now, go over to YouTube and search for See You in Kuşadası. And you will see our channel there, and that's where you can enjoy watching on big screen as well. Because I know on TV it's just so easy to go to YouTube, and it's not that easy to watch Facebook videos there.
You guys saw our pictures on the Kuşadası sign, yeah?
Yeah, we
Our
went.
Hollywood sign.
we climbed all the way there. Let's go by the water.
We put few pictures and videos from there.
Yeah, we definitely worked very hard to climb up that hill. You know? So thank you for those who climbed with us. So there's quite a few doggies here relaxing, enjoying their day. Yeah. Usually it's quite busy beach here. Right now it's early in terms of relaxing time is early for Turkish people. So if you come in the afternoon, about 3 p.m. it would be much more people here. And then often I like to come here and with my scooter just sit on this platform here and watch the water. It's a really nice place.
Oh, there is a fish here.
Yeah? Where? The water is so clear, you see? Oh no, this fish. That's
It's fresh, you know.
You're gonna eat it? No. Don't
Why
eat.
these doggies, they don't eat?
I don't know, maybe kitties will.
Maybe I should give them?
No, don't bother.
Alaskan dogs, they eat fish only. What about ours?
No, don't bother, because then you'll have coffee with the smell of fish.
Looks very cute, this fish.
Yeah, I know. But there for sure, there's so many kitties here in Kuşadası. Definitely you can just... As you see, it's really nice here. You're probably enjoying and you miss it, and you did walk here yourself before. And you hear the sea, the sound of the sea. Isn't this what you miss so much about Kuşadası? This clear, beautiful water and clear, sunny skies. Very nice. Very warm and beautiful. Are you cold?
No. Just perfect.
Just perfect, yeah. That's nice. I'm just wearing one layer of long sleeves and it's completely comfortable. Good morning, Robert from Scotland. There's a lot of Scottish watching. Put a like if you're from Scotland. Maybe one day we'll go there and make a meetup for See You in Kuşadası fans.
I never went there.
Yeah, it would be nice. I am Lithuanian originally, and there's quite a few Lithuanians that live in Scotland. So
I did inside.
wait, no, can you Yeah, it's a little bit bluffy here. Yeah, the sea sound is just very, very nice. So as you see, there's fishermen over there fishing, enjoying the day. Look, that's a kitty, right? Or a doggy?
Yeah, the sand is gone here.
Yeah, watch that. Is that a kitty? He's gonna find that fish, sweetheart. You know?
Yeah. But this fish is big for one kitty.
Why they put grass here? I don't remember grass here last year.
Only in winter you see that, not in summer.
It dries up in the summer. Yeah. I've seen tents here before. People would put tents and camp out here like overnight. But later they put the sign, you know, over there it says no camping. So can't do that anymore. But it was such a nice place downtown, you put your own tent.
Yeah.
Just like sleep overnight and continue the travels, you know, and then maybe go take a shower at a campground across the street.
No, they're not allowed, I think.
No? But if you
Look,
pay.
not allowed anymore.
Now, yeah, that's what I was saying. The sign is there, but no more allowed.
But there are many places you can do next to sea here.
Mm-hmm.
Especially in Long Beach area.
Yeah. So you can still find a lot of places in Kuşadası where you can put a tent. And you can even drive on some beaches with your car and then put a tent there. And the birds are back and they're flying around. So look, I'll show you this beach from the side.
Yeah, if you stay in downtown hotel, you just come here for some bath.
Yeah,
Drink beer and eat ice cream.
It's little, but it's very nice. The water is clean and a very convenient location. Oftentimes people are asking how far is the beach, But like depends on which hotel you're staying at, so you don't really have to stay at Ladies Beach. You know, you could always stay downtown and just go for a quick swim and then go back to enjoy.
How he throws, look. He will throw now.
Young fisherman.
You know, one of first video we made video for fishermen.
Yeah, one of the first. We were putting 3 best fishing spots in Kuşadası. And Mustafa was the host.
It's not this kind of videos anymore, yeah?
Yeah, we don't do that anymore. We just walk.
I was editing and all that, putting musics.
We were putting subtitles, like all crazy stuff. So you see these little platforms with the rocks? It used to be just the rocks before, but now the government put out these little platforms for fishermen specifically, so that they could like go closer without sliding down, you know, and enjoy a little bit better. So there are these little nice platforms for fishermen now. Government is really doing a good job to like improving the little things like this. Like they've put this exercise equipment here, and then there's kids playground. Now it's empty, but actually in the morning, when people are walking, they don't jog here, they walk. You know, it's strange to me, but that's what they do here. They fast walk, speed walk. And then there's a lot of exercising people then on those. So they are being used, the exercise equipment here. Good morning from Bordeaux. Wow, that's a nice place to live. Well, Kuşadası is a nice place to live too, you know. We highly recommend moving here as soon as you can do it, especially if you have something that you work remotely. And many people over these past months started working remotely, so maybe you could make a deal with the company you work for and move to Kuşadası and work from home. Our internet speed is doable. In some places it's very it's not the fastest. We don't have fast speed internet here, but it's workable. I work online as well, and Mustafa does, and it's
and our municipal government, they have big projects for digital nomads.
Yeah.
Yeah, if they come with caravan or without caravan, they have projects for that.
But
They
what are
start
they
already.
gonna do for the
I don't know,
nomads?
special land for them and put your vans and a good internet. You know, there's water, whatever they need. You know.
Can we go back to the
Most
sidewalk?
important for them the internet and then caravans if they come with caravan. You know. Look, he catch something. Look.
What? Wow, he caught it! Look at this fishy.
Same size like I saw that one over there.
Very nice.
Wow, he is lucky today. That's enough for one person. You know.
That's very good. Now you can go and eat your breakfast.